In almost every action movie ever made, there's that iconic moment. The hero slaps a tiny explosive charge onto a heavy deadbolt, steps back, and boom, the door swings open effortlessly. But in the real world, if you try that, you aren't breaking into the room. You're just trapping yourself inside.
Today, we're busting the ultimate Hollywood lock-blowing myth.
To understand why Hollywood's favorite trick falls apart, we have to look at the physics of a deadbolt. Hollywood treats a lock like a fragile glass window. They want you to believe that a concentrated blast targets just the latch mechanism, snapping the internal pins. In reality, a standard deadbolt isn't just sitting in hollow wood. It extends deeply into a steel-reinforced strike box tied directly into the framing studs of the building. To defeat that lock, you don't just need to clear the internal tumblers, you have to overcome thousands of pounds of shear resistance across multiple structural anchor points. So, what actually happens when kinetic energy meets a real deadbolt? Let's run the test. We've set up a reinforced heavy-duty door with a standard deadbolt. We are applying a localized, high-velocity explosive charge comparable to what a tactical team or an action hero might theoretically use for rapid entry. Look closely at that slow-motion capture. The blast energy didn't cleanly shear the bolt. Instead, the force dispersed omnidirectionally, warping the soft metal of the lock body and mushrooming the deadbolt inside its channel. The door didn't open, the entire frame warped, clamping the bolt down even tighter. The mechanism is completely jammed.
So, what is the verdict? Hollywood lockbusting is officially bust.
While high explosives can breach a door, using a small charge on a deadbolt won't give you a neat, open pathway. It turns the lock into a permanently welded trap, destroying the door frame long before the bolt itself gives way. Real tactical entry requires specialized mechanical rams or precise breaching shotgun rounds aimed at the hinges, not a pocket-sized explosive on the handle. If you enjoyed diving into the real physics behind movie magic, hit that subscribe button for more science breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what cinematic myth we should test next.